Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Valentine's Day e-flyer for your business. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So first, I clicked on Instagram post, and then I'm going to go ahead and type in some Valentine's Day to get some clip art and a backdrop. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put a box over it, kind of like to fade it out a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in some frames just to add some pictures to the flyer. Once you add on frames, all you have to do is just take the picture and kind of go over it, and it'll kind of like fade out when it's trying to go against the frame. Now I'm just going to go ahead and play around with some clip art. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in the shadow effect. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in some text. And right here, you're going to see me duplicate it just to give it like an outline. And I'm also going to add the shadow effect to it to make it pop out a little more as well. So right here, I decided that I didn't like the way this setup was going. So I went ahead and went to effects, and I changed the curve. So it has an option to change shape. You will go to shape, and then you will be able to have the option to curve your writing. And I just felt like the curve looks a little better around the actual photos. And here you have it, a very quick and easy way to make a Valentine's flyer for your business. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use Canva. And comment down below any suggestions that you guys want. Like if you want to see something made in Canva, just let me know and I can do that tutorial for you. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you. Have a great day.